Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing YouTube from the places Chrome loads automatically. Open Chrome settings and go to On Startup. If YouTube is listed, delete it. Next, unpin or close any YouTube tabs so they won't reappear. Also check the desktop shortcut. Right-click the Chrome shortcut, Properties Target, and remove any YouTube URL. Once done, relaunch Chrome to confirm it no longer opens YouTube on startup. This stops the most immediate reopen triggers. Now block YouTube so it can't open from links or extensions. Install a reputable site blocker, then add rules for YouTube. Com and M, YouTube. Com, choose to redirect to a blank page or new tab. Review extensions and disable any that open YouTube automatically, especially link openers or video downloaders. Make sure Chrome's autoplay and background fetch settings are off so videos don't trigger. Once configured, test by clicking a YouTube link. It should be blocked. Finish by clearing cookies and cache and signing out of Google so saved sessions don't reload YouTube. Then check your operating system's startup apps and schedule tasks for anything that launches a browser with YouTube. If you still see YouTube open unexpectedly, reset Chrome to defaults or inspect your host's file for rogue redirects. Both actions remove persistent overrides. Tip: if a malicious app keeps reopening YouTube, run a quick anti-malware scan and remove any suspicious programs before repeating these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.